Welcome everyone. Team 7 on another adventure. Coming to you from Disney's Animal Kingdom, where apparently it's tough to be a bug. Join us.
All the way down. Thank you.
All the way down.
In today's performance, the part of the Stink Bug will be played by Claire DeRue.
Stephen Guy, welcome to the Tree of Life Repertory Theater's production of It's Tough to Be a Bug. Our show has loud noises, darkness, and special effects that may get a little intense for some viewers. If it tends to, for some reason, bug you, and you feel the need to flee, please make your way to either edge of the theater. We'll be happy to assist you. Out of respect for the Bugcast and those around you, we ask no photography, videotaping, or cell phones during our presentation. So here's to the millions and billions of bugs in this world. We are happy to present It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Nice.
Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us, so that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so on with the show.
I made them honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight. Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war!
Join the party, everybody march up the place. Everybody wind up your waist. Everybody wild and free. So we go. We are the Vina Gaia Street Ballets and gentlemen, and we're celebrating a music and dance party. That's right, it's a party, so everybody can join the party and follow the leader. Let's have the Vina Gaia time. Come on. Just clap your hands, everybody. Everybody just clap your hands. Get on your feet, let's make it happen. Celebrate nature's big attraction.
Donald's Dino Bash. Is this the end? Could this possibly be?
St. John was owned by
The beginning of the end of Dino Land, USA? Fingers crossed. I hope so. You gotta go up over the bridge. You gotta go up over the bridge.
Yeah, if you want to do the...
You gotta go up over the bridge. Funny is, this is the first time I've ever been in here.
No, it's not.
I haven't been here before.
Yes,
When I
we
come in
have.
here before.
Yes, we have.
I don't remember.
There we go.
Yeah? dig for bones. Well, I guess we're going to. Are you a paleontologist now? What do I know? I don't know about you, but I'm kind of in the mood for some ribs now. How serious Electra is. You know, serious with her paleontology right now. Look at her.
Can I go? Go. I got stuck. Hold on. That's not a very fun slide. No, it's not.
It's the guest of honor.
I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago.
We're inside the Dino Institute, about to pick us up a king-size iguanodon. Are you ready for the mission?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm gonna bring back this iguanodon. Yeah, totally.
If you're ever online, the Dinosaur the Ride, and wondering what that's the chemical formula for. It's mayo, mustard, and ketchup.
Oh yeah, great job. A+. One, two. Oh yeah, A+. Great. Oh yeah, even A+. All right, guys. Pull down the black handbars. Pull them down.
Get those, put that.
I like the effort. All right.
Get down.
Time travel commences in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find you before security does. Thanks for everything!
Okay, so we just got off of Dinosaur the Ride. Only thing that would make that ride a lot more better for me would be if it was Indiana Jones. Looking forward to it. Keep hearing the rumors. Hopefully, one day. And of course, no trip to Animal Kingdom will be complete without an expedition to Everest.
Espero que fue. Vamos a ver. Estamos viendo el high. Vamos donde vamos. Vamos para allá. Ok. Vamos aquí. Bien.
Okay, so that's gonna conclude our little trip to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Maybe someday this week, maybe next week, we'll head out to Hollywood Studios to see the new Toy Story Land. I'm in no rush whatsoever. Not really excited about any of the rides.
Shame on you.
I'm not excited about none of those rides, especially Alien Saucer Spin. ASS, get it? So as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, just hit the subscribe button below. If you want to be notified every time we upload any videos, hit the bell icon. Until the next adventure, deuces.